Welcome to Homemade Hilton. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to get instant updates when we post. Today we'll be wrapping up part 2 with closet storage space ideas. We're going to show you how to get a professional built-in closet for less. Today we are working on the second closet, and this closet will be for more dressy attire, and it's, as you can see, it's a very basic looking closet. So you start off by taking off the doors and just making sure you remove everything out of the closet. Please see part 1 for further instructions. For a more professional look, it is important that you remove some of the baseboard before installing some of the shelving. Remember, when installing anything to a wall, make sure to level everything out first. Then we use the nail gun to attach the frame for the shelves. Remember, every closet is not of the same size, so make sure you go in with a plan. Sketch out your design or have pictures of what you would like, and next, measure very carefully to make sure you can get the most out of your closet. This part of the frame being installed right now is used to hold up the steel hanging rod of the closet. The lower shelf sits on top of the frame, and voila, you're all done. Add a fresh coat of white paint and you have a brand new closet. We maximize the most out of this small closet. This method saves a fortune in bigger closets. Take a look at this old closet. Got a lot of stuff, ladies? You can reinvent your space too. Get creative with your space, ladies, by using clear shoe boxes. Baskets are always beautiful to hide the sweaters that you don't wear all year. IKEA storage is wonderful. And of course, extra added shelving for extra shoes is always needed. Quick tip, stack modular cubes for extra storage. Thank you for watching, and remember, like, comment, and share. Subscribe and stay tuned.